Ever open your fridge and realize half the food you bought a few days ago is already going bad, even though you swore you'd use it? Or pull something out of the freezer only to find it dried out, discolored, and barely edible? That slow, silent food waste adds up more than most people notice, and that's exactly the problem this machine is trying to solve. The Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine is built for home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone trying to stretch groceries without constantly throwing money in the trash. It's designed to lock in freshness for dry, moist, and even liquid-rich foods, so you can actually store meals, leftovers, and bulk ingredients without worrying they'll lose quality in a few days. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, it feels more like a serious kitchen appliance than a small gadget. The stainless steel finish gives it a solid, slightly professional look without feeling out of place on a home countertop. The lid locks down with a single handle motion, which sounds simple, but in practice, it makes the whole process feel faster and more secure than the two-handed systems you see on cheaper sealers. The built-in cutter and bag storage also mean you're not juggling extra tools every time you want to seal something, which makes a bigger difference than you'd expect during daily use. What stands out in real use is how flexible the system actually is. The different modes for dry, moist, and liquid foods aren't just marketing features. They genuinely change how reliable the seal is, depending on what you're storing. If you're sealing soups or marinated meat, the machine adjusts so you don't end up with leaks or weak seals. The LED progress display also helps a lot because you always know what stage the process is in, instead of guessing when it's done. It's not loud in a disturbing way either, more like a controlled mechanical hum that fades into the background after a few uses. In everyday kitchen routines, it becomes most useful during batch cooking or grocery prep. You can cook in bulk, portion meals into bags, and freeze them knowing they'll actually taste the same weeks later. The vacuum strength is noticeable, especially when you compare it to handheld sealers that often leave small pockets of air behind. Cleaning is fairly straightforward, too, thanks to the removable components and the drip protection design, which matters more than people think when dealing with raw or wet foods regularly. That said, it's not a perfect fit for every kitchen. It does take up a bit of counter space, and if you only occasionally store leftovers, it might feel like more machine than you really need. The bag system also means ongoing accessory costs, which is normal for vacuum sealers, but still worth considering if you're on a tight budget. On the upside, the double heat seal adds extra confidence when storing liquids or long-term frozen items, which is something cheaper models often struggle with. Compared to basic entry-level vacuum sealers, the Vakumar feels more stable, more consistent, and much better suited for frequent use. Against higher-end commercial-style machines, it doesn't try to overcomplicate things or overwhelm you with settings you'll never touch. It sits in that practical middle ground where it feels powerful enough for serious food storage, but still simple enough for everyday home kitchens. Overall, this is the kind of tool that makes sense if you're trying to reduce waste, save money on groceries, or take meal prep seriously without turning it into a complicated process. If that sounds like your kind of kitchen upgrade, check the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, liking the video and subscribing helps a lot and keeps more honest, real-world kitchen reviews coming.